Hello students, welcome back to the class. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine at home and busy in doing homeworks. Yes? Okay. You have to do daily your homeworks. Yes? Okay, now tell me in the previous class what we learned about which tribes? Yes, Chanchu tribe and Bonda tribe. Yes. So in that we were learning about the Bonda tribe. Yes, about their clothing. What type of clothes this Bonda tribe wear? Which is made of what? Yes, with jute. Who are expert in making these jute clothes? Bonda men or women? Yes, women are very expert. They have that skill to make the jute clothes. How do they prepare it? I told you, no? In the previous class? Yes. They bring the jute plant, soak in the water for 2 to 3 days. Again, they will take the weed the thread from the plants. They make it dry in the sun and mix with the colors, and they make the color on the dresses on the handloom. And at last what do they do? Yes, they stitch the mirrors to make it beautiful. Okay, now all of you take out the page number 82 and see here. I still had not come out of my astonishment. I is referred to whom again here? The girl who came for the science fair here. She was still in the astonishment. Astonishment means what? Here astonishment means surprise, surprise. Still she is in the surprise. That girl, when she was hearing this all about the Bonda people, it was difficult for me to believe that there are still people living away from the outer world who do not use money to lead their lives even in the 21st century. See here, this girl, she was still in the surprise. She was thinking that she was not believing. What? These Bonda people who live in the dense forest area, never they come out of their forest area. They do not know about the money also, even in the 21st century. She was not believing that how these people live without money, how they are not connected with the outer world people. So she was thinking, and it had become dark. Dark means here night. We all retired to our rooms. They all went to their rooms. I prepared a flow chart after getting into the room. This girl, she prepared a flow chart on how the Bondas made their clothes. It is given below. See, when that girl went to her room, she made one flow chart how these Bondas people make the clothes with the jute. So this is the flow chart is here given. First, what these people do, what these women do? Collection of jute plants. See, in the forest they have these jute plants. They collect these jute plants. Next, they soak it in the water. What they do? They soak it in the water. Next, taking out the threads. After soaking, after 2-3 days, they take the threads from that plants. Next, weaving on the looms. See, weaving means alladamu. On the looms, they wave it on the looms. Then painting colors. From where they will bring these colors? From the forest only. Then drying under the sunlight and stitching the mirrors for make it beautiful. So this is the flow chart of the making the jute clothes. Understood? See here, one blue color box is given. All of you look at here. Do you know people exchanged the goods to satisfy their needs in the past? In the previous days, in the past, what do people do? They exchange their goods Example is here given 1 kg of tamarind. From where they are getting this tamarind? From the forest. Yes. So when they are giving 1 kg of tamarind in exchange of 3 kgs of rice. So when they are giving 1 kg of tamarind, what they are getting in place? That 3 kgs of rice. So in the past people do this kind of exchanging. They do not use the money. Understood? Did you observe the happenings in the fair that you visited? Write the differences between Bonda's fair and the fair you visited. So when we go for weekly fair in our villages, when we buy vegetables or clothes, fruits, whatever items, whatever materials, things which we require, what we do? Yes, we buy them. What we give for that? Yes, we give money and we buy that. Yes, but in the Bonda's fair, what these people do? Yes, they only exchange their products. They exchange the products, and in place of that, whatever the required materials they need, they'll take. They never use the money even now. Understood? Now come to the point number 7.6, depletion of forest. Depletion of forest. Here, what is the mean by depletion? What is the mean by depletion? Tell. Yes, depletion means reduce, reduce means decreasing. Forests are decreasing now day by day. Yes, for what? For our needs. Let's see what are that. Forests are useful to us in many ways. See, forests are useful in many ways. It is the habitat for birds and animals also. Understood? Many plants and animals and tribals depend on them. Why? See here, many plants, animals like birds or some wild animals, they live in the forest only. Understood? So they depend only on the forest. Forests are the natural habitats for thousands of plants and the animal species. See here, many of the animals, for the birds, for thousands of the plants and the people, forests are it is their habitat. Trees in the forest release oxygen. Forest improves rainfall. So trees give us what? Which gas we inhale? Yes, oxygen. And what we send out? Carbon dioxide, which is useful to whom? For the trees. But here trees in the forest release which oxygen? Which gas? Oxygen. Forest improves what? Rainfall. Earlier the whole world was full of green plants. Earlier means in those days, in earlier days, the past. Forests are depleting means decreasing, reducing day by day due to the cutting down the trees for use in the villages, towns, dams, industries, roads, railways, firewood, furniture, and for many more other needs of mankind. See here, day by day people are going in the forest, cutting down the trees. Why? Only for our needs. What are our needs? Why we people are cutting down the trees? For our needs only. See, this village people also go, they also cut down the trees. Town people also go, they also cut down the trees. For dams, for the industries, for the roads, for making the roads, for building the industries, for building or constructing the dams, for making the villages or towns, railway stations, firewood, furnitures, for making the furnitures, and many more other needs of the mankind. Only for our purpose we are cutting down the trees in the forest. Yes, biodiversity is being destroyed due to the discriminate destruction of forest for our needs. So due to destruction of the forest, this biodiversity means the living organism who live in the forest are being destroyed. Okay, with that, due to that, pollution also is increasing due to the global warming, means earth is getting heated. The rainfalls also have reduced, resulting in drought. Soil erosion has increased. Thus, there is a growing threat to the land and it may soon become a desert. See what is happening here? When the people for their needs they are cutting down the forest, these all things are happening. Pollution is increasing, biodiversity also is destroying, global warming, no rains, no rainfall, soil erosion, drought. These all things are happening due to what? Only due to cutting down the trees in the forest. Understood, children? Then that part is becoming what? Like a desert. Desert means Edari, where are the no trees. Understood? So our forests also are becoming like this. Understood all of you? Now come to the page number 83. Now see here. There are forests in the districts of Adilabad, Nirmal, Komram Bhim, Manchiral, Peddapalli, Jaishankar, Mehboobabaad, Bhadradri and Nagar Karnool of Telangana. See, in our Telangana state, this many forest districts are there. What are that? Adilabad, Nirmal, Komram Bhim, Manchiral, Peddapalli, Jaishankar, Mehboobabaad, Bhadradri and Nagar Karnool. Earlier, the forests were dense and wide. Very big and very thick forests were there in those days, in the previous days. But now, their area is decreasing due to the cutting down the trees. Different types of tribes live in the forest of our state. In our state, different types of tribes live in the forest. The tribes Gonds, Kolami, Pradhan and Toti live in Adilabad. In Adilabad, Nirmal, Komram Bhim and Manchiral districts. See, the tribes Gonds, Kolami, Pradhan and Toti live in Adilabad, Nirmal, Komram Bhim and Manchiral districts. The Koya tribals and Konda Redlu live in Bhadradri district of Telangana. So which two tribals? Koya tribals and Konda Redlu live in which district? In Bhadradri district of our Telangana state. The Banjara tribe live in Mehboobabaad in other districts. See which tribe? Banjara tribe. Where do they live? They live in Mehboobabaad and in other districts. Many changes have occurred in the lifestyles of tribals when compared to the past. See nowadays these tribal people also are occurred the changes, means changes have come in them. Their lifestyle also has changed. By seeing the town peoples, these people also have changed. When we see in those days, in the past days, these people were live only in the forest, their customs, their traditions were different. But by seeing other people, this tribe people lifestyle also is changing. Understood? Now see here children, it is given here the forest occupied. It is about our country. The forest occupies 6,92,027 square kilometers. It means 21.5% of land area in our country. So in our country, the forest area occupies how much? 6,92,027 square kilometers. It means 21.5%. Madhya Pradesh occupies the first place in terms of the forest. So in our country, Madhya Pradesh occupies the first place. Means here the forest area is more. So in terms of for forest with 77,000 square kilometers. In our state, means in our Telangana, forest occupies 46,389 square kilometers. It means 16.89% of total land. In Telangana state, Jaishankar district occupies first place under the forest area. So from all the districts, Jaishankar district only occupies the first place under the forest area. Okay. Now next box is given. here look at here. Carbon dioxide levels have increased. Why it is increased carbon dioxide level? Because due to the cutting down the trees. Carbon dioxide is inhaled by the trees. In that they'll give us what? Oxygen, which we take. Here, due to the cutting down the trees, carbon dioxide level is increasing in the atmosphere due to the destruction of trees. Due to this, the earth gets heated. This is called global warming. Just now I told you, global warming means what? The earth gets heated. This result in less rainfall. We are cutting down the trees. That's why rainfall also is less. Next, tribals are progressively developing with education. Now tribal people also are coming forward for the education. These people also are studying. They are developing with the education. The tribal villages are in dense forest. Our transport facilities have not yet fully developed. The tribal villages are the dense forest, means thick forest area. Wherever the thick forest area is there, and transport facilities have not yet fully developed. So in that areas they do not have the transport facility. So no development is there. When compared to people of other regions, the tribals have yet to develop. So in some areas, some tribals till now they have not developed due to the thick forest. So their development is need. So when we compare the people of other regions, the tribals have to develop, yet to develop. Understood, children? Now come to the page number 84. Now on the page number 84, see one picture is looking here. What is looking in the picture? Yes, here it is given. Children planting trees near the village on the occasion of Vana Mahotsav. Yes, children. So in the rainy season, we children also, you also plant these saplings. Yes or no? In our school, yes, our sir also give us saplings to plant nearby our houses. Yes, no? Yes, here these children also are planting. On the which occasion? It is called Vana Mahotsav. They are planting the saplings. Saplings ante mokalu. Here, see what they are doing. What should we do to conserve the forest? They asked us some questions. To what should we do to conserve the forest? What we have to take the steps to protect the forest? Look at the picture. Tell what these children are doing. What these children are doing? Yes, they are planting the sapling. Why are the children planting the saplings? Molkalu enduku pedutunnar? To grow the trees. We all should plant trees. We should plant them in the available space and protect them. See, if we have place in front of our house, we also have to plant a tree and protect them. For every tree that you cut, plant another two. Suppose if we are going to cut one tree, you have to plant in place of that two. Yes. So if we are cutting down the trees, it is our duty to plant again more trees. Understood, children? Okay. Now here some keywords are given in the box. What is the first one is forest, tribals, lifestyle, cultural programs, science exhibition, decoration of the house, village god, fair, people other than tribes, Zoom farming, forest products, forest conservation. Okay, these are the keywords from the lesson. Now, one more picture is here given. What picture about this? What is this? Yes, it is a tree. What it is? It is a tree. So, this tree is very useful for us. It helps in many ways to us. Yes. So, how this tree is helpful for us? What it do for us? Yes, here it is given. See, first one. I take This I is refer to whom again here? I is refer to tree. This I is referred to tree. I take in 660 kgs of carbon dioxide. See, this tree observes how much? 660 kgs of carbon dioxide. Okay. Next, I give fertility to the land. It gives fertility to the land. I protect soil from erosion. I promote rainfall. I give very valuable oxygen. I alone give oxygen sufficient to 4 people. See, what we inhale, oxygen. Who are producing that oxygen for us? Yes, trees. So we have to plant more trees if we need oxygen, which is very what? Important for us. Yes. I give food and medicines which valuable crores of rupees. See, from the trees we make many medicines. We get food also from the trees. So we should not cut down the trees. Here these two circles have left empty. Why? Because we have to write here. Again, in what way they help us? Yes. So what the trees give us? When in the summer season, if we go outside, we want to take some rest. Where do we take rest? Yes, under the trees. Because trees give us what? Shade. So, I, again here this I is referred to whom? Tree only. I give you what? Shade. I give you shade. Next again. I give you fruits. I give you fruits also. So in this way, this tree is helpful for us. Understood? So we have, what is our right? We have to plant more trees and protect them. We should not cut down the trees, and also the leaves. Leaves are very helpful in a tree because they prepare the food. So in this lesson, what we learn about the which tribes? Yes, about the Gond tribe, about the Chenchus tribe, and about the Bonda tribe. Their lifestyles, their traditions, their customs. Understood? I hope you all understood this lesson. Yes, children? For that, you have to read the lesson for 2 times, and again you have to understand it. Okay?